Hi, Akrapovic, AliExpress Chinapovic exhaust. I installed it yesterday. It came with like the springs over there, a bung type thing that's over there, and a baffle. The baffle can come out, and I'm gonna do that later, but now I'm gonna show you like what it runs like and how it sounds. The whole thing cost me, including shipping, just below 40 euros, and for that price I thought what could go wrong. So we installed it yesterday. The original silencer was right there. We cut it with an angle grinder. We welded the bung. I say I mean my brother did, because he's far more competent at this than I am, but he welded the bung inside of the original piping. We slid the muffler on. We installed it right there. Took some fitting, took some welding, but well, this is it. First I'm gonna start it right now and show you guys what it sounds like with the baffle in. Well, for me this is loud enough. I don't need it any louder, but just for video's sake and for good old fun, I'm gonna take the baffle out with this little Allen key right here. I hope I can do this with one hand and that it's not too hot for me to get out. Alright, there's, at the end of the baffle, there's like a little plug. I don't know if the camera will focus right here, but the little plug is right there. I decided to drill a hole in it because if you take the plug all out, which you can because there's a screw on top of it, it makes like a whistling sound and it doesn't really sound that good. So I drilled a hole in that just to make it a bit louder and just so it doesn't whistle as much. So here goes without the baffle or the DB killer, whatever you want. I like the noise, but for where I live, which is in the Netherlands, as you can see right there, it's too loud because we have quite the strict noise restrictions for things that go on the street. So I'm not gonna tempt the cops to pull me over and give me a fine for that. So I'll put the baffle back in. But I think for the money, for 40 euros, it turned out really, really good. The sound is good. It looks quite awesome. For an old bike, it's not bad, right? The link will be in the description for you if you want to buy this exhaust, and if you don't, that's fine with me. Alright, see ya.